Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to the folks watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, Parliament is at this hour debating the government's plan to use legislation to forcefully acquire Venezuela's stake in PETROJAM. Prime Minister Andrew Holness kicked off debate in the lower house and the opposition is staunchly against the move. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports.
We cannot wait until PETROJAM is run to the ground, then we react. The duty of government is to see the threats and respond to them.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness making a case for the government to use a law to forcefully take back Venezuela's 49% stake in PETROJAM. Point 1. After over a decade of talks, Venezuelan company PDVSA has not lived up to the agreement to upgrade the refinery.
Technical assessments have found that refining operations will be negatively impacted by 2020 if PETROJAM is not in a position to execute phase 1 of the refinery upgrade project, which is the vacuum distillation unit.
PETROJAM will also lose one of its biggest customers this year, the Jamaica Public Service Company JPSCO. It will be using liquefied natural gas instead of heavy fuel oil for its 190 megawatt plant. Next issue, sanctions against Venezuela by the United States has made it difficult for banks to do business with PETROJAM. The Prime Minister pointed out that since July 2018, Jamaica's PetroCaribe Development Fund has been unable to make payments to PDVSA. And when a payment was made this year,
the funds have been held by the intermediary bank for sanction investigations.
the Bank of Jamaica has since requested that the funds be returned to Jamaica. For opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips, Jamaica's vote against Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro at the Organization of American States has complicated the PETROJAM buyback issue.
And that would at minimum, bring into questions on the part of those with whom you are negotiating your good faith, the good faith in which you are entering those negotiations. If we yield to the power of the mighty always, we soon will have no flexibility to operate for ourselves.
In addition, the opposition believes it's better for the government to wait until May before deciding the value of the refinery.
Whatever the valuation that you arrive at, there's either a discount to be negotiated or some other adjustment to be made on the basis of what the outcome of that review committee's deliberations are.
Nonetheless, a silver lining of sorts to Venezuela from the Prime Minister.
Were they to sign the draft share purchase agreement before this debate is concluded today, the government of Jamaica would be willing to suspend this process and sign the agreement as well. Furthermore, if after this debate closes, well, I've been waiting for the vibration on my phone. But after this debate closes and it goes to the Senate and a similar call should come, we would be prepared to withdraw the bill.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.